a tribute to our freedom fighters. The Indian freedom was a long struggle which claimed thousands of lives and countless sacrifices. Many of these sacrifices went unnoticed, but some of them found their way into history books and are even remembered today with great pride and honor. The date August 15 brings a sense of patriotism to all Indians, whether in India or abroad, and makes the people behind our independence even more special. Here's a look at some of those great personalities because of whom we stand on the brink of social, political, and economic greatness. Mahatma Gandhi. The father of the nation, who was also given a title Mahatma, gave the world a perspective which supported humanity and not tyranny. His non-violence measures, which seemed ineffective in the tense scenario, proved to be a method which not only brought the British Raj under pressure but also gathered worldwide support for India. Efforts abolished untouchability, removed poverty, and Swaraj guided India towards a state of unity and tolerance with the non-cooperative movement, Salt Satyagraha, and Quit India movement. He used peaceful resistance as his weapons in the struggle against the British Raj. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru. Nehru was one of the most renowned barristers and was known for his intellectual capabilities, which soon made him one of the greatest politicians India had ever seen. Nehru, under the approval of Gandhi, his mentor, rose to become one of the most dominant figures in Indian politics from the 1930s onwards. Nehru, after much deliberations, accepted the partition proposal for India in 1947 and took oath as the first Prime Minister of India after attaining independence. His birthday on 14 November is widely celebrated in India as Children's Day. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai, commonly known as Jhansi Ki Rani, was an iconic figure in the first freedom struggle of India in 1857. After the East India Company, under the leadership of Lord Dalhousie, decided to apply the doctrine of lapse to acquire Jhansi, the Queen took the responsibility of leading her army to oppose the British oppression. She became a symbol of courage, women empowerment, and patriotism. She died at the hands of the British, but her sacrifices did not go waste, as it set the tone for many future leaders. Lal Bal Pal. Lal Bal Pal. The trio of Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal advocated the Swadeshi movement, which spread the message of self-reliance. Their efforts included boycotting foreign goods, strikes, and protesting the partition of Bengal to unite the people with the ultimate motive of overthrowing the British Raj. Lala Lajpat Rai, who led a number of demonstrations against the British, succumbed to injuries after being lathi charged in his protest against the Simon Commission. Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh is considered to be one of the most influential extremists in the freedom struggle of India and an iconic figure amongst the Indian youth even today. March 23 is celebrated as Shahid Divas or Martyrs' Day in India. The day commemorates the hanging of India's three freedom fighters Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapar, and Shivram Rajguru. The leader of the trio and one of the most revered young voices from Punjab was Bhagat Singh. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose considered to be one of the greatest brains behind India's freedom struggle. Subhash Chandra Bose, or Netaji as he was affectionately called, was a key figure in India's freedom struggle. He formed the Indian National Army with the involvement of Indians in other parts of Asia to attack the British forces in India. He sought alliances around the world with countries such as USSR, Japan, and Germany to strengthen his force against the British Raj in India. His famous motto, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," truly defined the spirit of Subhash Chandra Bose. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is an iconic leader in the Indian National Congress and the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a key member of the Quit India movement. He is also known as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel helped unite hundreds of princely states to form the Republic of India that we know today. Other influential leaders. Apart from these names, there were many others who made immense contributions towards the freedom of India. Freedom fighters like Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Jatin, Khudiram Bose, Madanlal Dhingra, Udham Singh, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Veer Savarkar, and Mangal Pandey, who made imperative contributions, will always remain in Indian hearts as a source of inspiration, spirit, and patriotism. Thank you. Jai Hind. Efforts abolished untouchability, removed poverty, and Swaraj guided India towards a state of unity and tolerance with the non-cooperative movement, Salt Satyagraha, and Quit India movement. He used peaceful resistance as his weapons in the struggle against the British Raj.